Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters not showing. So it's a rare thing happen if you update your Instagrams. So the first thing to do is you have to update your Instagram. So you can tap on Play Stores, search the Instagram apps, and try to update in here. Update the latest version. So the latest version is, you can scroll down, is this one. So update on September 6, 2024. So you have to update the Instagram. So after that you can try to restart your phone, or you can try to clear the case. You can hold the Instagram icon, tap app info, and here you can try to tap on storage and clear case. You can consider to clear data, but you have to re-log in. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.